MeghalayaPost.news.
Ubah sasnes sotun Myntri ketenat sin RD ke Sarkar Jelang badai UMLA ke Jerang mentaka sengulalit banjurip ia ke thaiñ Byrnihat kabadai halor ki jingeh bala Jumat ki pajba ha kabaya dei berkajing shlei kabaju jia man kapor ke ayom lyiur. Hakate ke jing jurip la sakhiru da jing don lang Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner Kariboy uba Eric dekhar video ka umleng sin RD blong kinong mi khmat bat engineer ke NHI rengkat ki pajba nong shnong. Lengba kate ke jing jurip hadian ke jing ekran bat ki officer ke NHI uba sasane sotun ula pynthikna basyan an weng no ya kite ke jingeh ka baki pajba ki ju kendu baru nagalyang ke NHI kan snaru atli ki jingking foot over bridge ha Byrnihat proper bat hanong thmai khat sanmer bat ban pynthikna ru ya ki benta ka surok national highway nadu jerobat hadu Byrnihat.
आप लोग का उधर से पानी आ रहा है, हम अपना घर इधर से हमारा पुराना घर पूरा टूट गया तो पानी का वजह से पूरा पानी का निकाल दिया था आ जाता है इधर से बारिश करते बेसिकली ये टूटेगा तो यहाँ से जेसीबी आप लेकर आएंगे।
yes, इसको तोड़ने के लिए भी मैं इससे बता दिया, एक एक्सेस रखिए, एक एक्सेस हम तोड़ देंगे। और ये सर ROW अप टू 10 सर, हमारा ROW दैट अप टू 10 दिस सर।
अच्छा जिस पिलर यहाँ तक आपका ROW ओके। Basically till the portion it is okay.
Yes sir.
और ये आप ही लोग का
Yes sir.
this the outlet where
सर it is also one of the encroachment है सर।
वो सर ऊपर से दिखेगा आपको उसका आउटलेट जो है।
Because see now after you have even though you have completed that box culvert, but you make sure that the flow of water
Yes, sir.
goes
नहीं तो आप अभी बताओ completely
Sir.
जो honorable minister sir बोल रहे हैं कि जैसे यहाँ से पानी आया what all things have to be done to ensure that the water is through.
Sir, is there behind of the one more drain? Going to river.
ठीक है तो यहाँ पे और कुछ आपको तोड़ना है
Yes sir, it is one of the encroachment है सर। ये लोग बोल रहे हैं मेरा घर करना पैसा नहीं देंगे, इसलिए वो पानी को ऐसा डाइवर्ट करके
ऊपर होना चाहिए था पानी।
Of Honorable Minister and local MLA Shri Sosnes Sotun sir. Local people had been facing a lot of issues regarding flooding in internal areas because of certain the limited capacity of hume pipes etc. And simultaneously there was a long-standing demand for foot-over bridge as well as street lights in this area. So now that the contract has been finally awarded, Honorable MLA sir had requested that we should conduct one inspection to see that the street lights and foot-over bridge should come up at the earliest. There should not be any hindrance to it. So we had called NHI, we have called other line departments as well to streamline all the pending issues. Simultaneously, we are joined by local representatives as well. Moreover, the flooding related matters, wherever the culverts are blocked or the culvert has to be replaced with box culverts, for that we have already taken up with NHI, and whatever necessary actions are to be taken regarding removal of encroachments and all, that we have discussed with the local community, and we will initiate those actions at the earliest to ensure that before the next monsoon, these all culverts etc. are clear and the water is through and there won't be any more flooding.
Kumbap jutip ya kapor slump pini iba kandan bika jing shlei hakini thaiñ na do na tina Borni pinpoy siya sekhat sanmer ketika area jongka cinema hall nang ta pinpoy siya Sinjut Umpher Jarobat kini area ke bana por slump pini iba ka shlei be te ka jing wan ka jungi mentah hang ne ban ringkat bat I Deputy Commissioner nang ta i video jong ka umling block nang ta ki nakaliang ka nahai nang ta ki rang ba shnong bat kotok ne ki nongilam ki bayawan lang banya lej ban jurip habidai bat kini ki habidai bat kini ka jing shlei hakopor lyiur nang ta ba ki don ki sanction project ki ba kin sesna menta te ka jingwan ka jingi kelong ba impa banwan hakopor ba shlei namara dangiwan dang kapor shlei lanong in dapat ba kinle ekakam te kan suki bat nginyo kendu nginyo mat kejuk ka jingeh te de nak kata kata ngiwan menta hakijing yedon lang ba di Deputy Commissioner nang ta ki nakale i video bat kaliang ka nahai ka jingwan menta kalong ba ngini i bat ngilalap hage bidai bat ka kidau ke ba penlong la balong ki ba contribute ya ka jing ja ya ka jing shlei te nakaliang ka nakaliang ka nahai gidan lang ki engineer ke nakaliang ka nahai te maki kilai bat nglabu ke jing kerpat ba kidai ban pendep kamkloi hage bidai bat ka jing sna ka box culvert hage dai bat ka ban pynthikna ba ka outlet ka dai ka flow ka dai ban biang namar ba ki hum pipe kim dai bandai ki baret ki dai bandai ki bahek kat kum ka jingwan jong ka te bat hagi bidai ba ka pher kum jo ka sinju school ka ba barok ki yo ma de ke jing te ya ka turu nakaleng i Deputy Commissioner la simkia batin senang ban budin kumno ban la ban pynthikna ba ha ketika area ba ka jing shlei ka de ban ka de benduna ba ka nomdan ka jing shlei kenang ba ki pajba ki kena school kini mikindo jingeh te sakawai ru ka ba ngakwa ban penpau khma jungpi menta nakaliang kanahai ladep banyo ka sanction ban sna ki foot over bridge ha Byrnihat kawai kabade ha ki area jong ka Byrnihat proper he amin road nang ta bat hang de junction menta kawai kin sna ka foot over bridge kaban long nama kini ki area ki ba bun priyo bet man kasngi kaba ki keja kayo kaba kin haban cross tebat ka kan pensuk ki nong lek nong wan kenang ba kin light na kanono ka accident na kanono ka jingma te kalong ka ka bas utanat ru ka bidai ka sanction kaba mentana kaliang kana hai labu ya ka beautification ane ka jing penitnat natu na jarabat satu sa Byrnihat bater kitiki surok kibaron ha ka national highway kidon ki portion ki ba klade ban sanction keban penitnat ya kene ka area bat nga nakaliang jonga kumu long ikmat uba represent ya kene ka constituency nga dokumen namar bangala penpau ru sikap sarkar ya ka jing penitnat ya kene ka area ka jongi teling baki lightings ki ba magigin sa bang CE bahaki por ki sngi ki sawan dekat selong ka ka ban nangla ban penitnat ya kene ka dong ka thañ ka jongi te ngabu ya ka jing shania ha ka nahai ka National Highway Authority of India nang ta i Deputy Commissioner nagam ta kuno ban nangla ban budin to follow it up with all these issues so that all the problems issues can be resolved once and for all dikatahi ketika jingput snow na kailang jonga so at the same time I would like to thank Deputy Commissioner si Avilash Branwal ba Eric omling video and then the engineers and from the NHI and along with all the representatives from these areas. I would like to thank them for coming together so that we can see by our own eyes the problems and issues raised by the public.
MeghalayaPost.news